In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name in ClickUp. So if you want to make some changes or rename your account, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your ClickUp account and then go over to this name or icon here, and under this, look for the option called settings. Now under settings, you see the first thing under my profile is your name. Current name is here, and you can go ahead and change it to whichever name that you wish. So you can alter this as you wish, and once you are done, now you can go ahead and capture the changes by clicking on save changes here, and that will capture your current name. Now look at that, the name has been changed. So that's how you can change your name in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.